No hot water. 8 to 4 on my Honeywell WV4464B1037. How do I reset it?
How can I help with your home repair question? What specific appliance or part are you working with?
Water heater gas control valve.
What's the brand and model of your water heater? How old is it?
State Select HCXTR9JF88N2. 3.5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your water heater? What have you tried so far?
Since tonight. Unplugged, plug power back in after few minutes. Turn temperature knob from back to very hot 6 times.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Is the pilot light lit?
How do I check that? No.
Do you see a light blinking at all on the Honeywell control valve?
The pilot light is not on. 8 to 4.
Okay. Remove the access panel at the bottom of the Hester by squeezing it in the center and pulling it out of the slots on the end. There may be a screenshot on the end to remove. You'll see a square sight glass next to where the pipe goes in. These where you'll see the pilot light. You need to turn the knob on the control valve to pilot. Then press and hold the knob in. While holding the knob down, you'll need to simultaneously press the igniter button. Should be a black square button directly under the knob. It may take several tries, but if it doesn't light at first, just hold the knob down for about 5 seconds, release it, then repeat the process until it lights. Once you see the pilot flame come on, you'll need to keep holding the L knob down until you see the light blink P on the control valve.
No pilot or push. No igniter. Customer attachment July 13, 2026 04 and 3 seconds AM.
Okay. That is not the Honeywell control that typically comes on them. Let me do some checking on that and I'll get back to you in a little while. If it's giving you an 8 to 4 flash error, that means there's a control valve fault. If you reset it or kill the power, wait about 5 minutes and plug it back up, and that doesn't work, then you'll have to replace the control valve according to the manufacturer. There is supposed to be a way to fix it, but I cannot verify that it works because I've never done it and it is not a typical repair. I can upload a link to a video that will show this repair process if you want to try it before ordering another control valve.
Please. Is a gas control valve problem a common one?
Not usually, but I've read several forums online where people were complaining about that particular model control valve. I've installed/repaired hundreds of water heaters and only maybe 2 of them had the control valve. Gimme me a few minutes and I'll try to upload that link. Here is one forum that does a good job explaining. https:/tylertorque.com/Q&A/2013/gas valve. I'm looking for the other link now. As they explain on this link, I will go ahead and shut off the water to the water heater and drain the tank to get the sediment off the bottom. https:/u2.b/hdjlppjv8.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.